All right, so what really makes this thing special is you can use this big boy. The blades are extremely sharp on this thing, so be cautious. It has a spill spout or pouring spout. Right there, it comes with that too. Doing this one hand, so it goes like that, lift it up, good to go. Now, we only use this for like salsa, making hummus, larger items. A bunch of people over, not just making one smoothie, but primarily, you know, the wife and I were using it for one smoothie, okay? Now, we like this thing so much because, let me pause this. We like this thing so much because the covers on this little thing, so if you just want a smaller size and want to make a bunch, you can just do this guy. And this is literally how it connects. That's what's pulsating and moving it. That's the motor system in there. But the cool thing is, let me try to get this all with one hand. Ninja has this basically top that is changeable, because then when you're ready to go and you're done, you just put that back on there. That is the best thing about this thing. I mean, there's probably other competitors about it, but Ninja, you know, we've had a couple other products with them, and their motor is amazing. So we honestly use smoothie mode for almost everything. Now, if you want to get crazy, they have a whole booklet for like margaritas and drinks and stuff like that. So it has this system, but literally I'm going to set it to smoothie because that's what we use it mostly for protein shakes for the morning. And I'll show you how the system works, and it's amazing. So, but the other big thing that we like the most about it is literally this unchangeable tops. And you get, I think, one or two of them. I can't remember. We've had it for like 3 years now. But I think you get one or two of them. But you can get other brands. You don't have to get Ninja, but they come with replacements. Or if you want to just get extra ones of these, there's other companies who make them. So they're readily available to order from other like suppliers. But this thing is sweet. That's the best thing about it. Smoothie mode and this bad boy on the go. Literally cut it up and then travel, good to go, super fast. All right, Costco gang, Kirtland gang, whatever you want to call it. That stuff's with these knees. I'm gonna make a quick little smoothie so you can see. Real life example. I'm freaking starving. Didn't really have breakfast, but whatever. I'm gonna eat this thing because I need my protein. Ah! I don't measure, I just go. Sweet. Oh no! I'll clean that up later. 5-second rule. Got blood on my hand. All right, we're gonna click this thing off. Clicks off super easy. Spin this thing off. Sometimes oh, there you go. You heard the suction. I'll give that a second. I kind of just let that hang. It stays. But literally, I can take this, throw this in the sink, or you can lick it, whatever you want to do. Be a crazy person. But look at this. Boom, bada bing. Ready to go to the freaking refrigerator, go to work. Put this in your cup holder. It's swag. This thing is amazing. Yeah, highly recommend. It's the best. I'll put it in the description. Cheers.